Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by RK sir. Now we have to solve chapter 12 question example number first and question number first. Question example number first. The cost of fencing of a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter square per meter is 5280 rupees. The field is to be plugged at the rate of rupees 0.50 per meter square. Find the cost of the fencing. Here is given that rate of plugging is equal to 24 per meter. Rate of fencing plugging fencing of field is equal to rupees 24 per meter square, and total cost of fencing is equal to 5280 rupees. So the circumference of circle is equal to total cost of fencing divided by cost fencing rate. Here total cost is equal to 5280 and fencing rate is this. So 5280 divided by 24 is equal to the circumference. This will be cancelled out from 4 6 ja 24, 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 4 2 ja and 4 0 ja. Again 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 1 carry, it become 12, 6 2 ja 12 and 0. So the circumference fencing total fence of circular field is equal to 220 centimeter, meter. This is meter. Clear? But we know that circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Here is 220 is equal to 2 pi r. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. So 220 is equal to 2 multiply 22 by 7 into r. This 7 will be transfer and become multiply into 7 upon this. This will be transfer and become divide is equal to r. This is cancel out from 1 1 0 and 11 10 ja 11 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. So r is equal to 35. Clear? Meter. Now we have to find area of the circular field. Now area of the circular field is equal to pi r square. here pi is equal to 22 by 7, r is equal to 35 into 35, 7 5s are 35, it is equal to the 22 into 5 will be 110 into 35, so it will be 0, 11 5 is 55, 11 3 is 33, 33 plus 5 38 meter square. So the total area of the circular field will be 3850, which is plug-in, and rate of plug-in to field is equal to 0.50 rupees per meter square. So the total cost of plug-in of field is equal to area multiply rate. Here area is equal to the 3850 multiply 0.50. We remove point and take upon 100, so it becomes 50, and 0 will be cancelled out from 0, and this 0 will be cancelled out from this. So the total cost is equal to 385 rupees. Clear? Now again solve question number 2. Question is given that the radius of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Here question number first. Here radius of the first circle, radius of the first smaller circle is equal to 19 centimeter. Let we suppose this is equal to small r1 is equal to 19 centimeter, and the radius of the second smaller circle, let me suppose this is r2 is equal to 9 centimeter, and radius of the bigger new circle is equal to capital R is unknown, but circumference according to question, circumference of big circle radius R is equal to the circumference of circle R1 plus circumference of circle R2. Clear? Good. Circumference of the circle R is equal to 2 pi capital R is equal to the 2 pi small r1 plus 2 pi small r2. 2 pi r capital R is equal to, here 2 pi will be common, 2 pi will be common, and r1 is equal to 19 centimeters, so it will be 19 plus r2 is equal to 9 centimeters, so it will be 9. This capital R is equal to the 2 pi into 19 plus 9 is equal to 28 upon पे 2 pi. This 2 pi will be transferred and become 2 pi. 2 pi will be cancelled out from 2 pi. So capital R, radius of the big circle, is equal to 28 centimeter. Clear? Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.